Hello everyone, today I want to show you how to change your Wi-Fi router password, and this is the procedure. Just open your browser and in the address bar type tp-link login.net and press net and press enter, and another windows will pop up, and here just type admin and password also admin. It is your default password, and click on login, and here in the left side click on wireless and then click on wireless security, and just scroll here, and from this option change your password as you want to set and click on save, and it shows that it need minimum 8 characters. I can change any of my desired option and click on save, and it need a report, and if you click on OK, here this show that if you click here, your router will be rebooted and password will be changed. And I want to share with another thing, which is the default password, which is admin. How to change this I will show you. Here, to change your admin password and admin username, go to system tools, and from here go to password option, and from the old username type admin and password also admin, and from here type as your option. You can set any of your password and click on save, and it will be changed. Here if I type admin, I can't log in. I should have to type only, and see, my password is changed. This is the way. Thank you all.